Half a day class, my name's Hannan, and together with my partner Lawrence, we will be presenting QuickBooks Chapter 8, Employees and Payroll. Managing employees in QBO involves two main tasks, setting up payroll and processing payroll transactions. Payroll setup includes creating your employee list and enabling time tracking and payroll functions, while payroll processing includes tracking time, paying employees, payroll liability, and filing payroll tax forms. The employees list in QBO serves as a central database for storing employee details. This list helps businesses process payroll efficiently and keep accurate records. To add to the employee list for the first time, for time tracking, you go to Payroll and select Employees. Then simply click Add an Employee and enter their details. Businesses must distinguish between employees and independent contractors, as the two are treated differently for tax and payment purposes. Employees receive wages and benefits, while contractors are paid per contract and handle their own taxes. QBO offers an easy way to manage and track contractor payments efficiently. In QBO, contractors are treated as vendors. To designate a vendor as a contractor, you simply check the box labeled Track Payments for 1099 in their vendor profile, and you have to be sure to enter their tax identification number or social security number and confirm that their business name matches the name on their tax forms. Once flagged as a contractor, the vendor will appear in the contractors list, where you can review their details, track payments, and prepare 1099 forms when necessary.
Hello, my name is Lawrence and I'll be going over time tracking and invoice track time. The time tracking feature in QuickBooks Online is essential for processing payroll, managing contractor payments, and generating customer invoices. It is important that the status of the individual performing the work is determined so that the method of payment is recorded properly and the correct tax form is used. Employees receive paychecks and their time is reported on a W-2 tax form. Contractors are paid via vendor payments and have their income reported on a 1099 form. Owners, on the other hand, receive distributions and their income is reported on the owner's specific tax return. To input the hours worked by employees or contractors, QuickBooks Online has the Enter Time feature. Mentioned earlier, these hours are used to calculate for employee paychecks and for accurate vendor payments to contractors and 1099 reporting. If time is billable to a customer, it can be marked as such on the timesheet and later transferred to the customer's specific invoice for payment by creating an invoice with billable track time. QuickBooks Online offers 3 payroll subscription plans, each with unique features to fit different business needs. Businesses can choose from the following plans. Core Payroll is a full-service payroll, which includes automated taxes and forms. It also offers auto payroll for salaried employees who are set up for direct deposit. Premium Payroll has everything in Core Payroll, but includes expert payroll setup review to ensure proper configuration. It also has the Time Premium and access to an HR support center. And lastly, Elite Payroll. This plan includes everything in Premium Payroll, but where it differs is that it has expert setup, Time Elite, 24/7 product support, and a personal HR advisor. Setting up QuickBooks Online Payroll can be pretty complex, which is why Intuit offers access to payroll specialists to assist with the setup process. Once set up, running payroll is easy and efficient. Once payroll is set up and time work is entered, the next step is to pay the employees. QuickBooks Online offers 2 primary payment methods, direct deposit and printed checks. With direct deposit, salaries are automatically transferred into employees' bank accounts, providing a fast and convenient payment option. Alternatively, businesses can print checks and mail them to employees if that's a preferred method. Some advantages of paying through direct deposit is that it saves on the cost of mailing printed checks and is more secure because it avoids the possibility of a check getting lost in the mail or being stolen. Along with paying employees, businesses must also manage payroll liabilities, which includes taxes withheld from employees and the employer's own payroll taxes. Employee withholdings cover federal and state income taxes as well as FICA taxes. Employer taxes include the employer's share of FICA taxes and unemployment taxes. QuickBooks Online simplifies the management and payment of these. The amount of a company's collected and remitted payroll withholdings must be summarized in payroll tax forms. Key forms include Form 940 for unemployment taxes, Form 941, which is filed quarterly for income tax, Social Security, and Medicare taxes. For a smaller business, it would use Form 944 instead of 941, and it is filed annually rather than quarterly. In addition, employers issue Form W-2 to employees, summarizing salaries, wages, and withholdings for the year. Employers also file a Form W-3 with the Social Security Administration to summarize their W-2 forms. QuickBooks Online Payroll Services simplifies this process by offering an e-filing feature, enabling businesses to file these forms electronically. By setting up e-filing in QuickBooks Online, businesses can receive reminders for filing deadlines and confirmation once forms are successfully submitted, ensuring compliance with minimal effort. The QuickBooks Online Payroll Tax Center also provides a centralized view of payroll tax filings, summarizing the forms that need to be filed with federal, state, and local tax agencies. Thank you for watching. This concludes our presentation on QuickBooks Online Chapter 8, Employees and Payroll.